some paper. I'm going to use sticky note. Fold it in half and then in half again. Draw lines on the paper extending from the sidewalls of your nail. Repeat for each finger and your thumb. Use a ruler to measure the width of your nail bed in millimeters, recording the result. Here's an example of my thumbnail that I've measured at 13 millimeters. As you can see, the width of the fake nail is 13 millimeters. Send your nail bed measurements to me so that I can create a design like this. This design matches my nail bed measurements.